Welcome to our channel Curious Minds, and today we're diving deep into the world of cars. Did you know that something like 99% of drivers out there, yeah, you heard that right, 99%, are driving their cars wrong? They're missing out on these crazy secrets that can make their rides smoother, safer, and way more efficient. We're talking about those next-level car hacks that only the top 1% of drivers are in on. These are the tips and tricks that they don't teach you in driver's ed. The stuff that mechanics whisper about when they think you're not listening. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to have your mind blown, because we're about to unlock the vault of car secrets. Let's go. Alright, first things first. Let's clear the air and bust some common car myths that even experienced drivers fall for. You know that thing you've been doing for years? Yeah, well, you're probably doing it wrong. First up, warming up your car in the winter. Yeah, I know your grandpa told you to do it, but guess what? It's not really necessary anymore with modern cars. In fact, it can actually be worse for your engine. And while we're on the topic of engines, let's talk about oil changes. You know how they say you need to get your oil changed every 3,000 miles? That's just big oil trying to take your money. Most cars these days can go way longer between oil changes. Just check your owner's manual. Oh, and here's another one, premium gas. Unless you're driving a high-performance sports car, you're probably wasting your money by filling up with the expensive stuff. Regular gas is just fine for most cars. Alright, next up, let's talk about fuel efficiency. Who doesn't love saving money on gas? Here's a secret that most drivers don't know. It's all about that smooth acceleration. Think of your car like a cheetah stalking its prey. You don't want to waste energy with sudden movements. Ease into the gas pedal and avoid jackrabbit starts. And speaking of smooth, let's talk about braking. Anticipate stops and coast to a stop whenever possible. Every time you slam on the brakes, you're basically throwing money out the window. Another thing that a lot of people don't realize is that your tire pressure can have a huge impact on fuel efficiency. Keep your tires inflated to the proper pressure. You can find the recommended pressure in your owner's manual or on the sticker inside your driver's side door jamb. Oh, and one last thing. Extra weight means extra fuel. So if you've got a trunk full of junk that you don't need, get rid of it. Ever get stuck in the rain or snow with a fogged-up windshield? Don't worry, we've all been there. But here's a secret weapon that'll clear your windshield in seconds. Use your car's AC. I know, sounds weird, right? But trust me, turn on your defroster and make sure the AC button is also on. I know what you're thinking, but cold air actually holds less moisture than warm air. So blasting the AC will help to remove the moisture from the air inside your car, which will help to clear up your windshield faster. You can also try cracking your windows slightly to improve ventilation. And if you're really in a pinch, you can use a credit card or something similar to scrape the fog off your windshield. But be careful not to scratch the glass. Alright, now it's time for the ultimate car secret, the one that very few people know about. This secret is so powerful, it could save your life someday. It's all about your headrest. Now you're probably thinking, what's so special about a headrest? Well, did you know that your headrest is actually a safety device that's designed to help prevent whiplash in a car accident? But here's the secret. Most people have their headrests adjusted incorrectly, which means they're not getting the full benefit of this safety feature. The center of your headrest should be aligned with the center of your head, and the distance between the back of your head and the headrest should be no more than 4 inches. Seriously, go adjust your headrest right now. It could be the difference between walking away from an accident or ending up with a serious injury. And now for secret tip number 5. Master parallel parking. Parallel parking can be a daunting task for many drivers, but with a few simple steps, you can park like a pro. First, find a spot that is at least 1.5 times the length of your car. Next, align your car parallel to the car in front of the spot, leaving about 2 feet of space between the cars. Then, turn your steering wheel all the way to the right and start reversing slowly. When your car's front passes the rear bumper of the car in front, straighten the wheel and continue reversing. Finally, turn the wheel all the way to the left and reverse into the spot. Adjust as necessary to center your car in the space. With practice, you'll be able to parallel park effortlessly. So there you have it, guys. Those are just a few of the car secrets that most drivers don't know. From debunking common myths to revealing hidden fuel-saving techniques and even a life-saving headrest hack, we covered it all. Remember, these secrets can make your drives smoother, safer, and way more enjoyable. And who knows, you might even impress your friends with your newfound car knowledge. What did you think of these secrets? Do you have any of your own car hacks to share? Let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome car content. Until next time, peace.